I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired hair, makeup, and outfit. Okay, I'm giving you a trio. I'm giving you 3 videos in one. I'm giving you quality, okay? So I'm gonna walk you guys throughout my whole process, you know, how to get cute for your man for Valentine's Day, or your woman, you know, however you roll. It's none of my business. I don't have a man, you know, I'm probably gonna take myself out on Valentine's Day, but that's all right too. Comment down below whether or not you have a Valentine. So let's just get into it without further ado, because this one's gonna be a little bit long. Let's go. Okay, so I was gonna film a voiceover for this video, but I feel like my personality shines through more when I don't. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve the low pony, and it's gonna be really quick, easy, and in shambles, because that's what we're like on this side of town. So, and I'm slowly molding the hair backwards and down into a low pony. I'm gonna use this Eco Styler, and I literally just use this to mold my hair to the right shape, because I don't want my ponytail to look super crusty. Like, some gels make my hair really hard and I don't like that. So now I'm not even using a mirror. This is gonna be interesting. I have thin edges, but it's cool. My edges have been thin my whole life. Don't come for me about them. I'm not balding. I literally didn't have hair there to begin with, so that's that. So this is what we got right now. And the pony, I'm putting it about right here, as you guys can see. So I use a stronger hold Eco Styler. This one is Max Hold 10. The other one is Max Hold 8. The Max Hold 8 is kind of what you would use for a wash and go. I feel like when you want definition but you don't want it to be too crunchy. And I put the stronger hold gel on top. Like, look how sleek it is. And now our ponytail looks bomb. But I look bald, don't I? I look really bald. So I'm gonna use my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. I'm about to run out of this stuff, so I need to go buy like all the flavors because I love this stuff. This is the best edge control on the market. So I literally sleek down my adult edges, sleek it back with this. But I take the ponytail out one more time and just really sleek it down since we added that extra gel. And I'm gonna move it up a tad bit. So instead of like low, it's more like middle low, if that makes sense. My hair, you can see my BDBs in the back. I'm gonna fix those. As you guys can see, I'm gonna take a scarf like this one, or whatever scarf you have will work. And I'm gonna lay it really flat up against my edges. So our edges are tied down. I have my handy dandy crochet hair ponytail that I made. I do have a video using this already. It was the side ponytail video. A lot of you guys really like that hairstyle, so that ponytail is still hanging on. I'm gonna turn to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm anchoring the pony to the base of my ponytail. Let me turn all the way around. So here's my natural hair. Here's the pony, and here's the scrunchie that's attached to it. I'm going to continue in wrapping my hair around this scrunchie, or my scrunchie around the hair, however, and I just make sure it's secure. So now you have the pony at the bottom, but you need to cover this hair, so we're gonna pull it over and around to the top, like this. So now the hair is on top, your hair is on the bottom, and you're just gonna spread the hair around it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is secure some bobby pins, and I'm gonna secure it to this side and kind of through my ponytail, and I'm gonna secure it to the other side. And now it's staying, as you guys can see. Then you're gonna take the pony and sweep it to the side. I'm gonna come to the front now. And for this next step, we're gonna have to take off the scarf. So, all right. So now your hair is covered. The hair is pulled over to the side. I take a piece from the back, like so, smooth it out, and I wrap it around the base, just to kind of cover it up and so that it doesn't look like, where is this ponytail starting from? It's not starting from anywhere. And there we have it. This is the completed hairstyle. Alrighty, so now it's on to the makeup. Let's go. All my brushes and stuff are right here in front of me. I use a mixture of things. I'll have everything that I use in this video in the description box below. But obviously, the point of this video is to show you guys how I'm gonna do my makeup today. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, and then we'll work on the eyeshadow, and then I'll do my face, okay? So for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate. Then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 360. This is the concealer I use for my brows these days. And I kind of just get some product on here. And I just use this small kabuki shaped, I guess, brush to blend out my brows. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow and my other eyelid, and we're gonna come back and start the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take Roxy from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette with a really fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna use this one from Amazon. And this palette is very powdery, so as soon as you tap into the shadow, it's gonna kick up a lot of throwback. I don't know if you guys can see how much dust is accumulating on here. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. And I do my transition shade pretty high up because I have hooded eyes. That is a trick for hooded eyes, to do your transition shade higher so that your lid color can be higher and that your crease will be higher. If you do everything like low, like down here where your hood is, you're not gonna have a nice time, sis. Okay, so our transition shade is down. The Masquerade palette, and that's this plum purpley pink shade here. I'm gonna go in with that. We got, you see the hood? You see how the hood is like covering whatever I just did? I have to pull my eye kind of taut so that I make sure I get the product where I need it to go. Okay, I want this to be really pigmented, so really build this up. And also wing it out. Now, as you guys can see, my lid color, you could see it. And my transition shade has kind of disappeared, so we're gonna go back in and put some more. I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer on this brush. So I pull my eye. So now that the concealer is kind of dry, I'm gonna go in with another eyeshadow brush, a clean one. I prefer not to use the one that has concealer on it because in my experience it just doesn't work as good. And I'm gonna take the shade Bori from the Masquerade palette again, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that over the concealer. So now we're gonna go back in with the Zoko shade, that darker purple, and just kind of build that up a little more because it has faded away since we've blended on top of it. I kind of fix that transition in the middle. And now we're taking the Roxy shade from the Subculture palette, and we're just applying that shade back on top. So now I'm really tempted to use this Stila. I don't know if I should just do liner or if I should try to cut that top, if I should cut it with some glitter. And I'm thinking I should cut it with some glitter. I'm just gonna do a test to see if these colors even look good together. These are basically the two shades I used, right? And if we want to know if this matches, just put this right next to it. And now we can determine if I can add that pink, and we can. So I have the Stila thing here, and I'm just gonna try to get some product on here. What's really important with this, with hooded eyes, you cannot put this line where your hood is. You see my fold? The line can't go there. It has to go right above it. So I'm gonna try and do that for you guys. That looks really good. Ah! I'm a G. I'm a freaking G. So my eyes are pretty much complete. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face base. I'll do my foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, everything like that, and I will come back when it's time to do my under eye. Okay, I'll be right back. So our face is done. Now we can move back along to the eyes. I just want to finish up the eyes because we're almost done. We're almost done. We're gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the dark purple shade and I'm gonna go under my eye with that, like this, and just bring it down. And I go about 2/3 of the way, just like how I did on my actual eyelid. Blend this out a little bit. Now I'm gonna take Bori, the bright pink shade, same palette, and I'm gonna put that closer to the inner corner. Okay, now the shade Roxy, I'm gonna go in with that and just put that right underneath both of those colors, just to match the top. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on. I think these lashes really set this look off. I have no idea what style this is because it's hard to keep track of the styles on AliExpress because they kind of all come in the same packaging and I lose my boxes a lot, so I end up putting them in a different box. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara from my little baby lashes. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, so let me get closer. Ah. There you go. I'm gonna use Cork. I've been using this for years. I'm gonna use Fussy. Love the Fenty glosses, so here we are. The makeup look is completed. I really did that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like it. But let's get on to the outfit. Okay, don't come for me because I don't know how to dress. But this is very Joanne the Scammer. My pants are Pretty Little Thing. My top is from H&M. My jacket is from my aunt. And that's it. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really stepped out of my comfort zone with this makeup. Okay, I never do anything this dramatic, but I think it's a look. So I decided to go really bold on the eyes. That's why I toned it down with the outfit. You know, I did the all black with the fur. Had to do the fur because it's winter in New York, okay? If I was going out for Valentine's Day, this is like a really cute date night hair and outfit video. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and go watch all of my other videos. You know, you just can't watch one. You gotta binge watch all of them. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a video and you'll never miss a day. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I love all of you so much and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.